Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I'm cooking some lunch, so I've got lots of bits and bobs left over in my fridge and I thought, right, I'm going to use them up. So what have I got here? I've got half a chopped pepper, a bell pepper, and a small onion. I'll throw them in. So I'm just trying to use all my bits and bobs left over in the fridge. I've got a little tiny bit of bean sprouts left over, so they're going to go in as well. So what have you been up to this week? Have you got any bargains? Have you been doing DIY like I've been? Over the winter, my morning routine has been like I do all my dishes, feed all my pets, my cat, my dog and my goldfish, tidy up, sort out the bins, because most days I empty my bins because I've only got a little bin for rubbish and a bigger bin for recycling. So the recycling goes out maybe once, twice a week, but my little bin I tend to empty every day so that the kitchen isn't stinky and it's sort of out of the way anything I need to do. I've got a little bin in the bathroom there, if you can see, in the corner under the sink, so I tend to do that as well. So it's just all those little jobs that you have to do in the morning, get them out your life. And then what I would do is I'd go back upstairs, climb into bed, bring the dog with me, and the dog will be made up because she's all stretched out on the bed like she is at the moment as we speak. And I'd either throw the telly on and do a bit of crafting, a bit of crochet or sewing, or I'd mess about with my YouTube channel on my laptop, just little things like that, and just sit and chill with the dog under my quilt to keep warm and keep her warm as well, because she's got like the body heat off me, and just try and sort of tick over. Now it's March and spring is allegedly on the way. I still feel cold. I've just thrown the heating on, and I sort of changed my routine. So I've done all my usual little jobs that I usually do. I'll just hang on one sec. I'm going to throw. I had 3 eggs left in the box and a little dot of milk. I'm going shopping tomorrow. I just wanted to use all the bits up and bobs up in the. Yes, I've changed up my morning routine. So, because I've got my armchair set up in my now virtually finished living room, which has become a dining room, I've been sort of sitting there with the cat in the morning, because the cat loves that room. She's funny, as I've renovated, decorated a room, she takes over it. So like the box bedroom, she still sits in there. She likes to sit on the window or on the radiator cover in there. But now she's sort of like, if she's not in the bedroom with me, she sort of parks herself in the new living room now. And she sits on the green armchair. If you've seen the video, she just loves that, curling up on that little chair. I think she likes the feel of the velvet. So if I go in there, she'll come sit with me. She'll either sit on the table or she'll sit on my stool, because I brought the stool in now as well. And it's given me a chance to do a little bit of crafting, to get away from the DIY. So I've done my son's girlfriend's Christmas stocking, and I did my son's Christmas stocking. I sent that up to Scotland, where he's currently renting with his girlfriend. So I've been working on my other son's Christmas stocking. I know it's March. I know it's really late, but he's fine about it. So once his is done, I'll be doing mine, and I'm going to do mine with a bit of English paper piecing, the little 1-inch paper hexagons, where you make little hexagons and tie them together. And the fabric I've used is, I got in the summer, at the end of summer, my charity shop always puts free stuff outside, usually clothes, and then in the spring, because I've been watching out for it, we put out like winter jumpers and sweatshirts and stuff like that to get rid of them. So twice a year there's always like a big purge, and they had a load of school dresses in the summer. No, the little gingham check ones, and they were all different colours. I got pink, yellow, red and blue. So I've been cutting them up to make little hexagons, English paper piecing, because A, I want to make my Christmas stocking out of it because I think it's lovely. B, I'm going to do a cushion. There's a shock because I'm always making cushions. If you watch my channel, you'll see I'm always, and I hand sew them with a needle and thread, not a sewing machine. And I'm going to make a curtain. If you see my video the other day, I showed you I used some of my green living room paint to paint me shoe rack. I'm going to put a little curtain on the front using some denim and English paper piecing. I'm going to do like a combo on the little curtain. So because I've got my chair set up in there now, I can just sit there because it's a nice little spec to read, have a drink of coffee, play with my laptop, and I've got some egg noodles left over here. I'll throw them in as well. So it's sort of like too young, but I'm throwing noodles in as well. So, I forgot to put my garlic in. Oh, standards are slipping round here. So yeah, so I'm going to do the curtain for my shoe rack, finish off the Christmas stockings, and hopefully make a cushion. Because in my kitchen here, I've been making loads of cushions. Because I'm going to make a bench here. It's one of my last jobs to do. I've cut the wood to size and things, so the bench is going to go across this window wall. I might do another one on that wall here, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to do the window wall. I make a storage bench, a banquette, and I've got these pipes to block in as well onto my boiler, but I'm going to need a hole in it because of this sticking out. And I've got bits of tongue and groove left, so I'm going to use the tongue and groove on that, and we'll see how it goes with my bench as well. So that's why I've been making loads of cushions. So yeah, so interesting times, lots of crafting going on. So it's like, and I've got a big cutting mat there and a sewing machine. I bought a book on how to like use your sewing machine, and I've been watching a few videos. So once all my DIY is done and I've got time while the house is up for sale waiting for it to sell and all that, I'm going to fight with my sewing machine again, because the sewing machine keeps winning and I've got it over it. So there you go, there's my leftover lunch. So I used an onion, half a red bell pepper, about a quarter of a bag of bean sprouts, and about half a bag of noodles. So I've got a yummy stir fry that's basically past me nothing because I've just used up all my last bits and bobs. Oh, and 3 eggs with a little dot of milk. We could easily do it with 1 egg or 2 eggs, it doesn't really matter, does it? And we don't have time meat and everything all the time, do we? So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know what your morning routine is. Do you take your pets out for a walk straight away? I like to go after lunch, so after I finish feeding me fat face with this, I'm going to jump in the shower and then I'm going to take my dog for a walk, because I like to go sort of like early afternoonish or maybe late afternoon, depends on what's going on. Because like yesterday I just did some crafting, and today I've done a little bit of crafting, going through my wool pile because I'm going to put some wool up for sale on eBay. Because I got a big bag of wool the other week for a £5, and there's some colours in there, particularly orange, that I want to get rid of. So yeah, so it's been nice just to get away from the DIY, because yeah, I've had me fill a bit. So I've got to go back to it this week and finish those skirting boards off, and then crack on with the back room, because I want to repaint the walls and making me bench in here and blocking in my pipes. So yeah, I like to have a couple of rooms on the go. I get bored. So let me know what you've been doing. I'd be interested to know your morning routine, and I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.